Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Deep meditation, standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches stretched to reach the sun, blessing all, not just one, leaves a whisper, Jah command, shade and shelter feed the land, tree of life will never fall, Jah creation bless us all, tree of life, so strong and free, spread Jah love for all to see, feed the soul, protect the ground, keep the peace where life is found. Birds them singing early morn, nesting branches safe and warm, fruit a grow for rich and poor, welcome all through open door, it teach the youth to plant and care, share the blessing everywhere, tree of Zion stand so true, give this strength we carry through the storm and through the drought, tree of life still stand devout, Babylon axe can't cut it down, it wear Jah roots like holy crown, it guard the path to righteous way, mark the place where children play, every ring inside the wood, tell the story of Jah good. Me sit beneath and meditate, hear the whisper, feel the faith, tree a talk in ancient tongue, tell the tale from when we're young, it says stand firm, don't lose the fight, grow in love and walk in light, every seed it drop today, carry Zion far away, when the moon rise high and bright, trees still guard we through the night, from dawn again till evening call, tree of life protect us all, it never fade, it never bend, it stand in strength till very end, from root to leaf, from sea to sky, tree of life will never die. Grow wide, just spirit deep inside, from soil to star, from root to crown, tree of Zion hold we down, no fire, no flood can break the will, tree of just and mighty stay. Tree of life, so strong and free, spread Jah love for all to see, pass through street, it pass through field. Tell the story that can't be sealed. It whisper hope to troubled heart. Show the path where peace can start. It scatter seed in fertile ground, so life and joy will soon abound. Babylon wall can't block its way. Wind of Jah will always stay. It cool the fire in times of heat. It lift the tired, guide the feet. From morning light till evening rest. Wind of Zion do Jah best. It call the youth to rise and sing about the joy Jah love will bring. Every gust a righteous Na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Flowing pure from Zion Hill, river run by Jah will. Cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. It touched the root, it feed the tree, it set the hungry spirit free. It called the thirsty, come and take, drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep, river run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow, river of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate, it opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore, sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind, leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight, keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jah light. From dawn until till evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah truth to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop, river of Jah love deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. From mountain crown to ocean floor, river of Jah forever pour. Rastas, my stone and sweat, come on inside, yeah, man. You see, I walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she not no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal on foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. We step to her, heart a beat. They say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. We show her how to chant and wait. We not rush, no need no ring, just truth and rhythm. Everything when the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In her soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them I watch and wonder how two Rasta still hold vow. Why world a crumble round the way? We hold hands and start to pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude. Ay, 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 Zion Reggae, man. Early morning light beats through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs are feeling, we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love, guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse, teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate. We elevate, now participate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story is told. Around the fire, we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart at the compass true. No clock rule what Jah man do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots Roots of the mountain strong and free, smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees, we chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration, just Irie soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style, elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon scheme, reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake, it's a heartbeat song for soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire, burn down light, build truth higher. So light up the chalice, pass it round, let the smoke rise up off the ground. In a silence, we hear creation, Zion echoes, vibration. From roots to crown, we elevate, no hate, just love, we cultivate. And when the sun sets behind the hill, we still chanting, we chanting still. Roots of the mountain strong and free, smoke in the air like mist. Aye, aye, aye. Smoker split with Zion, Ragaya man. On the Irie Highway, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in a sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in a hand, wisdom in a head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie Highway, carry me home, far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky, lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication, just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light, soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze, whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land, drumming truth with the healing and no fear. In a this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie Highway, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta will turn in Jah direction, roots man soul in resurrection. We no chase money, we no chase fame, just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. How fi live humble, how fi stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart, that's where the higher living start. So when you're lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars winking at the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for rest. Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie Highway, freedom call. No wall too high, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the Irie Highway. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae, for the meditation, words of fire, soul salvation. Zion echoes, call your name, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Zion, Ragaya man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in the heart, fire in the soul. We living the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jah cup. In a silence me hear the sound. Heartbeat of earth, so profound. This ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots on sacred trail. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me trod in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. You them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call Jah name. Me teach bout herbs, me teach bout drum. How fi hear Jah voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze and meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power. In a lion strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay. In a roots temple where the drums still play. Where time slow down and thoughts get clean. Where we sip ital tea and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame. Roots temple, remember the name. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 Ay, ay, ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pan river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown pan her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. King Ital chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She a the queen of me temple, fire of me night. She like
take me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She read scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor, start to end. Many woman me see, but she stand alone. With lioness heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Her vibe more rich than gem and stone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She a the queen of me temple, reason of me song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame. And me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal but live low key. Speak soft but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She a the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah, she a roots gal, light and spark. She guide me path when life get dark. She a the queen of the Zions. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bamba gold inna the bambos, yeah man. Early morning, sun arise. Steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing. Meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase gold. Me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. Inna the silence, me hear Jah psalms. One draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot pan sacred land. Feel the heartbeat of Jah hand. Me no need no chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. I tell in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high but keep me wise. It no a drug, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. One foot on earth, one foot in Jah way. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a Jah light, me play me role. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me
Me see the youth them gather round with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea, we chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe, hold firm and clear. Each breath a step, fi draw Jah near. Them nod and hum like river run. This reggae vibe a just begun. One Jah, one Jah, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above. One Jah, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Na 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 na. Smoke a spliff inna the nature, yeah man. Inna the hills where the sun touch land, me build me temple with me own two hand. Surrounded by trees, a river run clear. No noise of machine, only nature me hear. Me light up the fire, me chant in peace. Me burn the herb and me soul release. Each draw a journey, each breath a guide. Me no need no riches when Jah provide. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate. Me nah hesitate fi liberate. One spliff, one love, me meditate. No hate can penetrate. In a Ganja Temple, we nah pretend. From roots to crown, we transcend. Jah call I and I ascend. In a sacred fire without end. Them say me mad, them say me lost, but me live good without the cost. No plastic smile, me now wear mask. Me live free, that's me only task. Me chant for the youth in a Babylon. Me tell them truth, them can't unlearn, but me nah preach war or fight. Me show them star and guide them light. So me sit in a silence, deep in a trance. Me soul do a mystic dance. Each leaf a scripture, each puff a psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me nah chase fame, me no beg likes. Me just walk truth, me ride me bike with the herb in a me pack and the drum in a me soul. Me chant fi heal and make them whole. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate. Me nah rush, me meditate. Me mind pure like spring we run. Me spirit rise up like the sun. In a Ganja Temple, me feel Jah near. Me hear the voice only love can hear. No fear, just clear vibration. Me live for the next generation. Me see me brethren chanting a grove. Them foot beer, them chanting code. Me see string bread up like lioness. She hold the chalice and smoke the stress. The elders speak in ancient tongue. Them say hold firm youth, your journey just begun. So me listen deep, me humble now. Me learn the secrets of the sacred vow. Now me rise up from the ground. Ganja Temple a holy sound. No concrete, no wall of sin. Just wind and drum and truth within. If you seek Jah, come trod this way. Me greet you a dawn with a chalice and pray. In a this temple, no man rule, just roots, reggae and Rasta school.
lion inna the puff, yeah man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This are the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youths live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner wall a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may. Ay ay ay, sweet ka chakalaka ya man. Kala ya guy. Early inna the morning, me rise with the light. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibes so right. Me walk barefoot on Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This is the Irie Way, the only road through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This is the Irie Way. Me soul rejoice. Rasta in a heart, in a voice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jah always standing by. me chalice, fire in me heart. Me meditate deep, me take it back to start. Me feel the wind whisper ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view under the moonlight. Me chant psalms, me soul protected, me life calm. Me sistren hum sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie Way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and grounding tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie Way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jah on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float on the rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right. Chant this song, so me do that still. Each word me write. A torch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, I'm more than sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the Babylon lie. Come hold a vibe and look to the sky. In a Zion neck pose, the truth will play and show you the Irie Way.
Chalice in the jungle.
Yeah, man.
Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from an ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Calling all soul fi come, me say. Dancing round the sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take you higher. Boom, 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 it nah lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we not go stray. We follow the drum till break of day. Yeah, hey.
Up early, dew on ground, barefoot step where truth is found. Me hear the wind, me hear it moan, like voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile, but all them path is pure big guile. Me not fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand, home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in Jah stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth not sweet, but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me not trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again, float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall, the ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait. Truth not come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul, before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain, dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
Oh, me say rise up, rise up. The struggle real, but we no give up. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We are warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon, them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop